Welcome back to the channel. Of course, you've seen the thumbnail. I'm here at the yard where they towed my Integra. We'll get into the story a little later, but luckily everyone's okay. The Integra is going to be totaled. You'll see it here soon. I'm just waiting for them to get here so I can walk to my car and get things off of it that I want before insurance comes and tows it away. But yeah, sad news for the channel, sad news for me. Just sold the Civic 2, kind of sucks, but yeah, I don't know, this will probably be the last video for a while. I don't know if I'll continue, not sure yet, kind of in a funk the last few days, but yeah, show you the Integra once I get here. Alright, here it is, guys. Yeah, this thing is trashed. I don't know if I'm going to take the brakes off. I don't think insurance will give me enough time. But came here for a few things, go through the car. Alright, got the hood open. Got a replacement valve cover thanks to the silver RD1. Remember, he had a spare one. He just gave that to me. I want to take this off for memories, put it on the garage wall. Take that off. The covers. Just also getting some video for insurance, letting them know what's on the car. But yeah, we'll just pop this off real quick, and then I don't know, we'll see. Alright, got my valve cover off, threw this one on, took my seat covers off right there. Sucks radiator. It's $300, brand new battery, OEM one. I don't know if I can open the door. The final miles on the Integra. Let's see if I can get zoomed in. 205,769 miles. Oh yeah, and look at that. Freaking I had gas in here too. Alright, not sure how much I filmed also, but here's a quick recap. Took this one wheel off just to have, because I had this full-size spare in the back. I might use that as like a air hose holder for my next garage. I ended up lifting it up. It was kind of sketchy in the gravel, but I took just the axle back, or whatever, from back wheels back, HKS exhaust off. It was too sketchy to try to get the rest of it, and I didn't want to get under the car. I'm going to do some research on getting these wheel hoods off if I can. And I know there's coolant leaking everywhere, so this Coyote Red's probably toast on the bottom. And of course, my dad threw away the old one that I had just the other day. Well, actually, I was going to throw it out, and he ended up doing it. Max speeding rod. Let's see how well that held up. Yeah, it held up pretty good, actually. It's all welded together, just bent back from the collision. Like I said earlier, I got the valve cover. Here's everything I took. Nothing major. Valve cover. Broadway mirror. Didn't destroy my license plate and the exhaust. But yeah, sad to see this thing go. Brand new battery. 2 months old. I got for when I need a new one. Yeah. Right at the end of October. Right before we moved. It's Coyote Red. But yeah. One last look at the Integra, probably. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Alright, back home. I'll explain a little bit what happened. So, I went for a little drive, and luckily went for a drive. And then my boy got tired, so I dropped him back off at the house. So it was only me driving, so I went back on this back road that I went on maybe once or twice, a long time ago, back when I was like in high school. You know, it's a twisty road. Just driving normal, nothing too crazy. Actually, I was doing a POV, but actually stopped recording. I did the thing where I was recording and then it wasn't, kind of thing, but whatever. So the road's really long and straight, and as I'm driving, you know, there's sun glare and whatnot, and there was a road that went straight Well, as I got closer, I realized that wasn't the main road. That was like a gravel pull-off road, and the road ended up turning. So as I get to the corner, I put on my brake. I start slowing down to take the corner, and as I'm making the corner, it just doesn't doesn't turn. And of course, at that right moment, someone's coming around the other way. I ended up hitting them in the fender driver side, so it's kind of like driver side fender to fender, and spun around. You see in the picture, but I'm okay. I'm really sore. Better today. I mean, it still hurts to lift up my right arm, but I feel bad for the other person. Sounds like they're doing okay. They went by ambulance. It was an older lady, so yeah, it just sucks. I mean, it sucks for her. It sucks for me because that was the car that that I loved. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. I just loved how it was. It was just a nice, fun little car. So, kind of sucks. I don't know what's going to happen with this channel. I mean, obviously I'm going to continue at some point, but right now, I kind of looked here and there to see what's out there, but there's nothing for 90s Hondas. They're in somewhat okay condition. I'm looking for stock again. I want to find some stock like the Integra was, but yeah, I don't know. I saw a really nice FA5. I didn't want to spend the money. Then my wife pretty much told me I should buy it, but yeah, it was sold within 24 hours. But yeah, I'll just keep looking around and see. Need to call the insurance guy right now and tell him that I have everything out of my car and they can pick it up and do estimate, and then see how they try to screw me with how much they want to get for it. But it is what it is. Everyone, thanks for watching, subscribing, and commenting, and everyone that follows, and just drive safe, and hopefully I'll have another video up sometime soon. But yeah, until next time, peace out.
Come follow me to a secret place.